Hello students, I hope you're okay. Today inshallah we are going to continue Unit 2 Desert Animals, Listen to Animal Fact File. But before we start in our lesson, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see the other episodes, عايزين نشوف كل الحلقات، ممكن ندخل على قناة السكولة على اليوتيوب، نختار بلاي ليست وبعد البلاي ليست ندور على Grade 4 Connect مس أشرقة دياب وإن شاء الله هنلاقي كل الحلقات. طيب let's بقى talk about our lesson today. النهارده إن شاء الله هناخد Animal Fact File. الانيمال فاكت فايل بيبقى عبارة عن فايل موجود جواه some facts بعض الحقائق عن some animals. طيب today we are going to discuss two animals. Fennec fox, the step eagle. Okay? طيب what do we need to know about the fennec fox? For example, the fennec fox lives in the deserts of North Africa and it's about 20 centimeters tall. No, it's this tall. It's very small. And it's also about 30 centimeters long. ولازم نخلي بالنا إن في فرق ما بين tall و long. وهنركز على الفرق ده كويس جدا في درسنا النهارده. طيب, what else about the fennec fox? It's also about 1 kilogram. يعني it's not heavy at all. ده حجمه صغير جدا. طيب, what else? It also eats insects, small lizards, and mice. So these are some facts about the fennec fox. طيب, what about the step eagle? The step eagle can live for 30 to 40 years. ده متوسط عمره from 30 to 40 years. طيب, what else? It's also about 3 kilograms. Yes, it's 3 kilograms. طيب, what about its long? It's about 170 centimeters from wing to wing. يعني when the step eagle opens its wings, لما بيفتح جناحاته, okay, it's about 170 centimeters, so it's longer than you. أطول منك أنت شخصياً. Okay, so these are some facts about the step eagle. هي دي الفacts اللي احنا نتكلم عنها, and we also have more facts about these two animals. So let's go and start our lesson. I'm gonna show you a picture of an animal. Yeah, this animal. Do you know what's this animal? Yes? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. This is called fennec fox. Fennec fox. Yes, it's kind of foxes. هو نوع من الثعالب. It's called fennec fox. Okay. طيب, let's look at this table. This table is called fact file. Fact file. Okay? يعني ملف حقائق about the fennec fox. طيب, what can we find in this fact file? We can find some information about the fennec fox. يعني شوية معلومات كده عنه. Like the place where it lives, المكان اللي بيعيش فيه. Like what does it eat? بياكل ايه? How tall is it? How long is it? How heavy is it? And so on. So let's read together. Where does it live? Where does it live? I'm asking about the place. Okay, يبقى it lives in the deserts. Remember desert? We took it in the last lesson. Great. يبقى it lives in the desert of North Africa. يعني في شمال أفريقيا. Okay, يبقى it lives in the deserts of North Africa. Great. طيب, how tall is it? How tall? And here when I'm talking about the tall, I'm talking about tall like this. Okay, so how tall is it? It's about 20 centimeters tall. It's 20 centimeters tall. Great. Like, how heavy is it? How heavy is it? About 1 kilogram. Yeah, it's not that heavy. So it's 1 kilogram. Okay, so this is how heavy, like وزنه. Okay. طيب, how long is it? And please, I want you to pay attention of how long and how tall and how long. How tall and how long. How tall, like this, رأسي, الطول رأسي, but how long الطول أفقي. Okay? يبقى how long is it? About 30 centimeters long. يبقى the fennec fox is 20 centimeters tall and 30 centimeters long. Okay? Well, طيب. What does it eat? Yes, what does it eat? Let's see. It eats insects. Okay, insects like spiders, like flies. It also eats small lizards. And it eats mice. Mice, like the plural of mouse. Okay? This is what the fennec fox eats: insects, small lizards, and mice. Okay? Here is the fact file of the fennec fox والمعلومات اللي موجودة عن الفينيك fox in this fact file. طيب. Let's read about the fennec fox to know more information about it. The fennec fox lives in the desert. Yes, as we said, it lives in the desert. It's smaller than other foxes. Yeah, it's smaller than, يعني أصغر من the other foxes. Okay? Of course, يعني it's about 1 kilogram and 20 centimeters. يعني لو عندك رولر مسطرة كده طولها 20 سنتي هيبقى هو نفس الطول كده. يعني it's very small. طيب. Its ears are big. Its ears, if you look at this picture, look at its ears. Yeah, they are big, right? Its ears are big, really big. Yeah, they are very big. يعني its ears are bigger than يعني itself. يعني ودانه أكبر منه هو شخصيا. طيب, the fennec fox needs big ears. Why? To hear insects and small animals. طيب, why does it need these big ears? ليه هو عنده big ears قوي كده? To hear insects and small animals so that he can eat them. لما يحب ياكل أو يصطاد الفريسة بتاعته, so he needs to hear them. Okay, that's why he has or it has big ears. Okay? طيب. During the day, يعني في النهار, during the day, it's hot in the desert. It's hot in the desert. So the fox loses heat from its ears. Loses heat يعني بيفقد حرارة, okay, through its ears. من خلال ears. Okay? طيب. What about night? At night, بالليل بقى, it's cold. Okay? Again, during the day, في النهار, it's hot. So it loses heat from its ears. Okay? طيب, at night, it's cold. It's cold. Yes, برد. So the fox's thick fur keeps it warm. Can you look at this picture of the fennec fox? This is fur. This is what we call fur. Okay? Like people have skin. احنا عندنا جلد. Okay? Some animals have hair, but the fennec fox have fur. Okay? And this fur is very thick. Thick يعني تقيل. Okay? طيب, the fox's thick fur بيعمل له ايه؟ keeps it warm. Keeps it warm يعني بيحافظ ان جسمه يكون دافي because it's very cold at night in the desert. Okay? This is all about the fennec fox. Is it easy? Well, طيب, let's do this exercise. Exercise 1. Answer the questions. Okay. We have here some questions and the fact file of the fennec fox. We need to read the questions. If we have the answer in this table, لو لقينا الإجابة in this table أو in this fact file, we can write it. أو طبعا there are some questions في أسئلة عن اللي احنا لسه قارينه من شوية. Let's focus, try to remember and answer the questions with me, okay? Well, number 1, where does the fennec fox live? Do you remember? Where does it live? Great! It lives in the desert. Yes, it lives in the desert, and if you want to be more specific, you can write in the deserts of North Africa. Yes, I can write both. It lives in the desert or it lives in the deserts of North Africa. Great. طيب, what about number 2? What does it eat? Remember, we can find this in this fact file. What does it eat? Insects, small lizards, and mice. Great. This is the answer. It eats insects, small lizards, and mice. and pay attention to something. لو احنا بنكتب جملة عن كذا حاجة مع بعض، يعني مثلا أنا بقول إن ال fennec fox eats insects, small lizards and mice. يبقى here I'm talking about 3 things. صح كده؟ ما ينفعش أكتب it eats insects and small lizards and mice. أنا ما بكررش كلمة and في كل مرة. لو أخدتوا بالكم إن أنا أول حاجة كتبت insects حطيت بعدها كوما وبعدين كتبت small lizards and mice. and بتتكتب مرة واحدة بس في الآخر. أوكي؟ ف pay attention to this. طيب let's read number 3. Why does it have big ears? Why the fennec fox have big ears? ليه؟ remember? Okay, great. To hear insects and small animals. To hear insects and small animals. Great. طيب number 4. How long is it? How long is it? You can find this in the fact file. Let's see it. How long is it? Yeah, it's about 30 centimeters. Here is the answer. It's 30 centimeters long. Okay? Is it easy now? Very good. طيب. We are moving now to the next animal that we have, which is... do you know what's this? Great. It's an eagle, but it's not just an eagle. Okay? We call it steppe eagle. Steppe eagle. Okay? Steppe eagle. Very good. طيب. We also have a fact file of the steppe eagle. زي ما قلنا عن الفينيك فوكس. وقرينا الفاكت فايل بتاع الفينيك فوكس. برضو هنشوف الفاكت فايل بتاع steppe eagle. طيب. Let's see. How long does it live? Here I'm not asking about the place. I'm asking about how long does it live, like how old. Okay? But الفرق ما بين how long و how old إن how old أنا بسأل عن سن السن الحالي. يعني مثلا لما أقول لك how old are you تقول لي مثلا I am 9 years old or I am 10 years old. Okay? أنا بسأل عن سنك. لكن لما بسأل how long does it live فأنا بسأل عن المدة اللي بيعيش فيها الكائن ده. أوكي؟ طيب يبقى how long does it live? Around 40 years. Yes, 40 years. يبقى the steppe eagle can live for 40 years. أوكي؟ ده متوسط العمر بتاعه أو متوسط أعماره 40 years. Great. طيب how heavy is it? As we said about the fennec fox, how heavy is it? It was about 1 kilogram. طيب what about the steppe eagle? It's around 3 kilograms. 3 kilograms. يعني the steppe eagle is heavier than the fennec fox. أتقل منه. Yes? Okay. This is how heavy is it? It's around 3 kilograms. طيب how long is it? Remember how long? We said how long اللي هو الطول الأفقي. Great. طيب how long? From wing to wing around 170 centimeters. Yes. يعني look at the steppe eagle. From wing to wing يعني this long. لما when it opens its wings لما بيفتح جناحاته قوي كده. Okay. يبقى from wing to wing it's about 170 centimeters. Yes. Too long. Okay. طيب, let's read some more facts about the fennec fox to find some more information. Look at the eagle flying. Yes, in this picture, the eagle is flying. Great. It's beautiful, isn't it? Remember this question tag I told you about in the last lesson? Yes, بأكد على المعلومة. It's beautiful, isn't it? Okay. The steppe eagle travels from Europe to Africa in winter. The steppe eagle travels بيسافر, okay? From Europe to Africa. From Europe to Africa. It's very long, okay? In winter. يبقى it travels in winter, not in summer. It travels in winter, okay? طيب. It lives in very big open areas. يبقى where does it live? بيعيش فين؟ in very big open areas like deserts, for example. يعني we can't put an eagle in a cage. ما ينفعش احبسه، ما ينفعش احطه في قفص، ما ينفعش يتربى في مكان ليه سقف او مكان مقفول عموما. So the steppe eagle should live in big open areas. Okay? طيب. It eats other birds. What does it eat? It eats other birds. Small mammals. Small mammals. What's the meaning of mammals? Mammals means animals, okay? Like rabbits, like lions, like tigers, like camels. Any animal can give birth. أي حيوان, okay, بيلد, we call it mammal, okay? طيب. So the steppe eagle can eat mammals, but small ones like rabbits, for example. Yes, and rabbits. Yep, again, the steppe eagle eats other birds, small mammals, and rabbits. Okay? طيب. When it opens its wings, like this picture, okay, it's longer than you. Do you know that? Okay, when it opens its wings, so it's longer than you. بيبقى أطول منك أنت شخصيا. Yes, of course, it's about 170 centimeters. Maybe you are about 140 or 150, so it's longer than you. Okay, طيب. Here is another fact. The female is bigger and heavier than the male. Okay, what about the female? The female is the girl. When we say female, we mean girl. Okay? So the female is bigger, يعني أكبر, and heavier, أتقل. Okay? Then the male. The male is the boy. يعني if I have two eagles, one of them is a girl, or we call it female, and the other one is a boy, or we call it male. يبقى the female is bigger and heavier than the male. Okay? Well, so this is the fact file, or these are some facts about the steppe eagle. Is it easy? Well, طيب, let's do this exercise together. Exercise 2, also answer the questions about the steppe eagle. Okay, but let's try to remember. Well, number 1, where does it live? Do you remember? Does it live in forests or zoos? Or does it live in the house? No. It lives in very big open areas, as we said. Okay? In very big open areas like deserts. Okay, number 2. How heavy is it? How heavy, Remember how heavy? فاكرين وزنه كان كام? Great! It's 3 kilograms. It's around 3 kilograms. Great. Number 3. How long is it? I'm asking about the long. Remember, from wing to wing? Great. From wing to wing, it's around 170 centimeters. Yeah, this is the answer. Okay? Very good. Number 4. What does it eat? Remember the food of the steppe eagle? Great. It eats birds, small mammals, and rabbits. Okay? Well, is it easy for you now? Great. Okay, now I have an exercise for you, which is think and write. Great. Look at this picture. What can you see? Great, it's a snake. Well, look at the snake. What is it doing? Is it crawling? Is it sleeping? Is it eating? We don't know. You are going to figure it out. What does it feel? Is it happy? Is it sad? Is it hungry? Okay, and why? ليه? طيب, let's take one by one. What is it doing? So, well, I'm gonna help you. So, it's lifting its head up. It's lifting its head up. Okay, when the snake is crawling, لما snake بيبقى crawling كده وفجأة it can lift its head up. بيرفع راسه فجأة كده لفوق. طيب, يبقى it's lifting its head up. Yes, and if you look at the picture, you will find it that. It's lifting its head up. طيب, what does it feel? I think it feels scared. Scared. Okay, طب why do you think it's scared? Why? Maybe it saw someone or something. شاف شخص, شاف حد, أو شاف شيء. Okay, that makes him feel scared. Okay, this is about the snake. It's lifting its head up. I think it feels scared. It saw someone or something. Okay? طيب, I'm gonna show you another picture. Okay, What can you see here? Great, it's an eagle. Very good. طيب, look at the eagle flying. This eagle is flying, so look at it. What can it see? Yeah, try to think. What can it see? And how does it feel? Feels happy, sad, hungry? What do you think? You don't know? Well, I'm gonna help you too. Well, it can see a rabbit. Yes, maybe it sees a rabbit. Okay, and I think it feels happy. Of course, when the eagle sees a rabbit, he will feel happy because this is his lunch or dinner, whatever. Okay? Well, so you understand? Very good. Well, now let's focus on the vocabulary and the most important words that we should keep or memorize. أهم الكلمات بتاعت الدرس اللي احنا لازم نحفظها ونركز عليها. طيب, what are they? Please, I want you to look, listen, and repeat after me. Okay? Fennec fox. Fennec fox. Ear. Ear. Mice. Mice. Okay, in word mice, mice is the plural of mouse. يعني I have one mouse or 3 mice. Okay? حاجة كمان نخلي بالنا كلمة mice سي هنا بتتنطق س. Okay? ما بقولش مايك. It's mice. تمام؟ عشان السي بعدها اي. لما السي بيجي بعدها اي بنطقها س. فبقول mice. Okay? طيب. What else? Great. Desert. Yes, we know it from the last lesson. Desert. Desert. Okay. Heat. Heat. Okay. What else do we have? Male. Male. As we said, male like a boy, like man. Okay. Male. Female. Female. Like girl, like woman. Okay. Male زي female, but we just add fe at the first. Male, female. Winter. Winter. Okay, like we have winter, we have summer. Okay, winter. Okay. What else do we have? Wing. 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 Great. Mammals. Mammals. Okay, we said that mammals are the animals that can give birth. Okay, الحيوانات التي تلد. Mammals. Steppe eagle. Steppe eagle. Steppe eagle. Great. Okay, now we have some adjectives. Okay, I use adjectives to describe nouns, like for example, big house, or tall boy, or fast animal. Okay? What are the adjectives that we have? Big. Big. Okay. Hot. Hot. Great. Heavy. Heavy. Okay, like ثقيل. Okay. What else? Small. Small. Okay, so the big is the opposite of small. Big, small. Okay. Cold. Cold. Cold is the opposite of hot. Hot, cold. Okay? Well, what else? Beautiful. Beautiful. like this girl is beautiful. Okay, like she's pretty. جميلة. Okay. طيب what else? thick. thick. thick مش sick. Okay. نخلي بالنا دي sick يعني L عيان مريض. But this is thick. thick. TH هنا is pronounced th. So it's thick. thick يعني سميك أو تقيل. طب ما احنا لسه قايلين إن heavy يعني ثقيل صح؟ أوكي بس heavy ثقيل للوزن. لكن thick بتبقى حاجة تقيلة. like مثلا thick fur فرو تقيل. أوكي or thick jacket جاكيت تقيل. something like this. طيب what else? warm. warm. أوكي نخلي بالنا في فرق ما بين hot وما بين warm. hot حر. okay I can't handle it يعني. but warm like دافي كده. okay اللي هو in winter we wear jackets to feel warm عشان نبقى دافيين مش نبقى hot حرانين. right. طيب what else? long. like tall but tall يعني دايما اي حاجه بنوصفها انها tall بتبقى حاجه كده like people. تمام. لكن long بتبقى حاجه طويله بس افقي like snake like sea for example like river. okay. طيب so we are okay now. great. now let's move to the verbs. And as we know, we have regular verbs and irregular verbs. Let's first look at the regular verbs. Like what? Live, lived. Live, lived. Okay? We only add D at the end. Need, needed. Need, needed. We add ED. Okay? Need يعني like يحتاج. As we said, the fennec fox needs big ears to hear insects and small animals, right? Travel, traveled. Travel, traveled. خلي بالنا traveled احنا زودنا ED لكن we double L يعني احنا زودنا LED. Okay? Travel, traveled. As we said that Stebigal can travel, okay, from Europe to Africa in winter. travel يعني سافر go. okay. open, opened. open, opened. open يعني يفتح. okay. so these are the regular verbs. What about the irregular verbs? lose, lost. lose, lost. pay attention, it's not loose, it's lose. the S هنا بتتنطق Z. So it's lose, lost. Like we said, the fennec fox loses heat from its ears when it's hot. Loses, بيفقد. Okay? What else? Keep, kept. Keep, kept. Keep بمعنى يحافظ أو يحمي. Okay? Keep, kept. Like fennec fox had thick fur to keep it warm. Okay? Fly, flew. Fly, flew. Okay? Eat, ate. Eat, ate. So these are the most important verbs that we have in this lesson. And now I have question words, okay? And question words are very important because it helps you to understand the question and to try to find the answer. الquestion words هي كلمات الاستفهام أو أدوات الاستفهام اللي بتساعدنا نفهم السؤال عايز إيه وبنقدر إن إحنا ندور على الإجابة أو نجيبها بسهولة. طيب, what are the most important question words that we have? Look, how long? How long? As I told you, how long like this. Okay, الطول أفقي. How long? But this, how tall? How tall? Okay, الطول لكن رأسي. فبليز pay attention. خلوا بالكم كويس جدا من دول. How long? How tall? How long? How tall? Okay, what else? How heavy? How heavy. When the question asks you how heavy, يبقى here I need weight, I need وزن. Okay, how heavy. For example, how heavy is the fennec fox? It's about 1 kilogram. How heavy is the steppe eagle? It's about 3 kilograms. Okay, what else? Where. Okay, pay attention here because H is silent. We don't say where, okay? It's where. Okay? I'm asking about a place. Like, where does it live? It lives in the desert, for example. Where do you live? I live in Port Said. Okay? What? I use what to ask about things. Okay? For example, what does it eat? It eats birds or it eats rabbits. Okay? I'm asking about thing. And also we have when. When I'm asking about time. Okay? When do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock. When do you go to school? I go to school at 8 o'clock. So I'm asking about time. Okay? So is it clear now? Very good. The last and not the least. Okay, exercise 3. Circle the odd word out. Odd means different, okay? So we have some words and we need to circle the odd word. الكلمة المختلفة هنعمل عليها circle. طيب, let's see. يعني for example, number 1, I have big, female, hot, and cold. Okay, where is the odd word? Very good, it's female. Yes, طب do you know why? Because big, hot, and cold are adjectives, but female is not an adjective. Great. Type number 2. How tall, how long, how heavy, and desert. It's easy. Yeah, the odd word is desert because all of them are question words. How tall, how long, how heavy, but the different is desert. Well, number 3. Wing, live, fly, open. Again, wing, live, fly, open. The odd word is? It's wing. Very good. But do you know why? Because live, fly, and open are all verbs. كلهم verbs. ما عدا wing. Type number 4. We have fox, eagle, were, and snake. It's easy too. Yes, it's where, because they are all animals, like in where it's not an animal, right? Okay, so today we talked about the fact files of the fennec fox, of the steppe eagle, and we also took a piece of information كده حتة كده عن the snake, okay? So that's what we talked today. We also took vocabulary, we took adjectives and verbs. نحفظ كويس, نذاكر كويس, and that's all for today. Thank you and see you next time. Goodbye.